Welcome, Re. In this video, I'll be having a dialogue and demonstrating how to conduct a job interview for a barista position. Enjoy the video. Hi, thanks for coming today. How are you? Hi, I'm doing great. Thank you. And you? I'm good. Thanks. So, can you tell me a bit about yourself? Sure, my name is Reva. I am passionate about coffee and enjoy working with people. I have some experience in customer service and I've also learned how to make basic coffee drinks at home. I'm excited to learn more and work in a really coffee shop. Nice. Why do you want to be a barista here? Because I really love that atmosphere is of this cafe. Even being a customer here, I like how friendly the staff are. I want to be part of a team like that and grow my skills in making coffee and serving people. Have you ever worked in a cafe or restaurant before? Not officially, but I helped at a small food stall during school. Even I handle orders, took payments, and interacted with customer. I taught me how to stay calm during busy times. That's great. Being calm under pressure is important here. What do you think makes good customer service? I think it's about being friendly, listening careful, and making sure the customer feel welcome and satisfied with what they get. Exactly. Last question. How will you handle a customer who complains their coffee doesn't taste doesn't taste right? I would apologize politely, ask what was wrong, and after to remake it. I think it's important to stay calm and make sure the customer leaves happy. Good answer. Do you have any question for me? Yes, I'd like to ask, will there be training for making coffee drinks? Absolutely, we train all new barista before they start on the floor. That's great to hear. Thank you. Thanks for coming in today, Reva. We'll let you know soon. Thank you for the opportunity. I hope to work with you.